So for mail time today, we have 3 boxes. I think all 3 are shoes too, which is pretty dope. Can you read this? Can you guys see this? Well, anyway, this one's actually from Supreme. This one is from Nike, and this one is from CDG. So stay tuned, mail time is coming up right after this.
Giving up, let's keep it spontaneous. I don't need that rehearsal. More flow, man. Them progressive commercials. Get with the program, cause the plus loan they putting us on. I got a month long before I.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you once again with another mail time episode. In this mail time, we're gonna be opening up 3 packages today, and I've been waiting a freaking long time for this one in the middle. I didn't even think it was gonna come, so yeah, should be a good episode. And I also have really dope news for you guys. I am gonna be running a giveaway. So if you guys are interested in entering this giveaway, just go down to the link below in the description. It'll have everything that you guys need to enter the giveaway. It's basically just subscribing to the channel, following on Instagram, and I think following on Twitter, but do it through the link, because if you guys don't do it through the link, you guys' entry won't be counted. Also, comment down below in this video what size you guys are interested in, because I will be giving away a pair of Yeezy Sesames, or it's a choice option, a pair of Concord 11s. So basically the most hype releases of like the last part of November and early December. So yeah, if you guys are interested in a free pair of Concords or a free pair of Yeezy Sesames, link in the description. That's just my way of saying thanks to you guys. I know it's Thanksgiving season, that's why, and you guys obviously are the Ohana, you guys are family, so you give thanks to your family, man. So if I can give you guys a free pair of shoes, I'm definitely gonna do that. So good luck to you guys. It will be open for about a week. Link in the description below. I'm excited, so it should be really dope. Check that out. So before we get into those boxes, I actually wanted to open up fan mail. I'm assuming that's what this is. I do have a PO box listed in the description as well, where you guys are able to send stuff if you guys want to open on mail time. Not everything will be open on mail time, especially if it's like inappropriate or something, but if you guys do send whatever you guys want to send and it ends up being dope, it will be put on mail time. So this one is from, it doesn't even say who it's from, it just says Life of a Hypebeast in the corner. It is a box. I have no idea what's in here. This was really a surprise, so yeah, kind of excited, man. All right, aloha, my name is Ryan. I love your mystery boxes and beater box videos. Inside the bag are a bunch of goodies you will most likely enjoy. I have a YouTube channel just like you. I make sneaker related content. Channel at Life of a Hypebeast. Shout out Life of a Hypebeast. And then there's a bag, a little Jordan 1 fragment keychain. That's pretty dope. That's the poppy seeds. It looks like it's actually spilling out of the bag, so can't use that unfortunately. But he also sent 2 Supreme Box logo stickers. This looks like more stickers. I think that's like Angelus paint or something. And then what is this? There's like a little box in here as well. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's like a Supreme stamper. So that's pretty dope, man. Thank you, Ryan, for like the little mystery box. That's pretty cool. Anyway, to the boxes that I know I ordered. This one is from CDG. How do you open this? Oh, all right. No, I found it. Yeah, that wasn't as bad as I thought. Whew. Okay, so I never ordered anything from CDG's actual website before. Comes in this little eShop envelope. This is just your receipt and stuff. CDG box, Comme des Garçons. Did I say that correctly, man? That would be pretty dope if I got that. All right, and these are a pair of the CDG Vans. And these are actually pretty dope, man. You guys can see on the shoe, has CDG running like basically through the entire thing. So yeah, pretty dope pair from CDG, Comme des Garçons. I think that's a pretty good pronunciation. So next box we got is from Supreme, and I didn't even know they were gonna send this, man. I bought this item and I never got shipping confirmation for it, so I didn't even think like it went through. I got the confirmation order, but I did not get the shipping, so I was super confused, but it still showed up, and thank goodness it did, because I've been looking forward to this. So Supreme bag, 2 box logo stickers to add to the 2 that Ryan sent us, so good come up today. Oh boy. And to keep in theme with the CDG, we have another CDG item. Also a sneaker, also a size 10.5. This one though is a pair of the CDG Air Force Ones. And you guys have probably seen this on YouTube a lot. I know Seth Fowler did a review on these, and it got me super pumped because I really wanted my pair in. Has that split Nike logo right here, and also says Comme des Garçons shirt Supreme on the back. Pretty much it for like the Supreme branding on it. I mean, obviously the main thing on this shoe that makes it stand out is this split swoosh. You've never seen this before. Comme des Garçons came out with it, and then you know from the shirts and from the hoodies that released earlier this season that this falls in line with that. And I was able to cop that shirt earlier this season too, so 2 for 2 on the CDG stuff, so I was pretty stoked on that. So this will go well with that. I'm definitely keeping these, not for resale. And what's funny, man, is this was another manual cop. I don't know why people think they need bots to like cop Supreme. It makes no sense. So all the shoes so far have been like designer fashion shoes, CDG. And to keep in theme with that, I wanted to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor of this video. These guys, RGNB, rose gold and black. I've been wearing their bracelets and I've been wearing their necklaces like pretty much every single day now. And it's kind of insane how much compliments I get on this one specifically, which is the one that I really liked. People have been coming up and they're asking like, oh, where did you get this? Where did you get this? And I've been telling them, okay, go to the website, and I've been telling them the discount code. And it's actually in the description below. Just click on that link. It'll take you down to rose gold and black, where you'll get 25% off your order, which is super dope because a lot of this stuff is like super affordable. Like people don't realize, like you think of jewelry or you think of accessories and you think, okay, well, I'm not about to drop like hundreds of dollars on these things just to like add a little bit of pop to whatever I'm wearing. I think it's like about 60 or 50 bucks, which is really affordable, especially for something that you can wear with like everything. So I think that's really good as long as you get use out of it and you can wear it all the time. That's most important to me. You can buy like expensive Supreme shirts and stuff, but if you wear it every single day, people are gonna call you out on it saying, why are you wearing only the same thing over and over? Whereas like an accessory like this, you can pretty much just throw it onto anything and it just goes with everything. So that's what I really like about it. I hope you guys check it out. Link in the description below. Anyway, back to this last shoe. And so even though I'm really stoked about this last one, what really pisses me off is that Nike is starting to do this, which I don't like this. I really hate it when there's branded boxes. And honestly, it's even more sketchy like if they drop it by your front door and they just leave it there. Makes it more easy for people to identify what they want to steal and stuff. So I hope they don't continue this route because I really don't like that. And that's no knock at UPS, FedEx, or USPS drivers, man. I know for the vast majority of these guys, they're all really good people. I love my post people, but there are a few that could get up for everybody. So shoes make people go nuts, unfortunately. Anyway, let's open this up. Nike.com, sneakers pickup. Box is a little bit damaged, which kind of sucks. You guys can see over there on the top, but that's okay. It is a retro Jordan box, which is kind of cool because you obviously know your boy hates opening up Jordan 11 boxes. I complain about it every beauty box we get one. Look at that. So easy. You don't need to slide it out, put it back in, put all this plastic on top, paper. But holy F, these things are freaking fire. You guys know what these are. These are Jordan 11 Concords, one of the most iconic Jordans of all time. The last time these were released was in 2011, so it's 2018 now. 7 years. It's been 7 years since they brought us a new pair. And this one is fire. Same bottoms as a Space Jam. 45 is not stitched on the back, which I kind of am not a fan of, but everything else is solid. Leather feels good. Obviously that patent leather looks super premium. A lot of people that were saying these are bricks, there's no resale. Who the fook cares, man? Who cares? These things are awesome. If there's no resale on it, that's a good thing because you should have one of these in your collection. What's funny is that I actually had a resale prediction video done recently that shows if you got these things early, because sneakers dropped them for like literally 10 minutes. So if you were like buy your phone, copped on sneakers, you got early release, because these don't actually release till December 8th. There's resale value on it now. And there's a reason why. It's because even though it's gonna be a mass release shoe, people want them because it's iconic. So if you guys were unable to cop these on early release, don't worry, I got you covered because you guys can enter the giveaway down below for a chance to win these or the Yeezy Sesames in your size. If you guys want a pair of these for free, don't forget to do that giveaway. Link in the description because you guys need this in your collection. This or the Sesames. I actually really like the Sesames as well, but in terms of iconic shoes, this is the one. Don't love that my box is a little bit banged up, but it's okay. It's just the box. Anyway, that is it for this video. And for the guys peeping this shirt the whole time, I didn't forget about it. I didn't really want to talk about it and hype it up because I'm not sure if I'm going to release it online yet. If it gets enough love in the comments and stuff, then maybe I'll do a reprint, but these shirts are specifically made for an event that's happening here in Hawaii. Hawaii Sneakerheads Facebook group is actually putting together like an event on December 2nd, and I plan to release these as a Hawaii only drop. I do love the Ohana, and I always talk about that the Ohana is family like from all over the world, and some of you guys can't make this Hawaii event, obviously. We'll see. I'm not certain if I want to do that just yet. I kind of like the fact that it's going to be limited for Hawaii, but if it gets enough traction and it gets enough love and you guys have like a genuine interest in it, because I don't know, I feel like the design is freaking sweet, man. I look at it in the camera, man, and I'm just like tripping out because I honestly really love this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Feedback in the comments below. I know this is a kind of a longer video, but again, I just want to reiterate that if you guys want to enter the giveaway, that link is in the description below as well. And yeah, thank you again to Rose Gold and Black for sponsoring this video. Check out their link in the description as well. I don't know when I'm going to post this, but if Thanksgiving already passed, I really hope you guys had a good time with your family. If you guys are from other sides of the world and don't celebrate Thanksgiving, just give thanks anyway, man. Everybody needs to show more love and more positive vibes. With that being said, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots.